Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Japanese budgeting strategy called Kakeibo. Make sure to stick around to the end of this video so you can get all the information on how you can save more money. Alright, let's start off. What is Kakeibo? Originally designed for Japanese housewives, Kakeibo is a budgeting strategy that anybody can implement to improve their financial life. It is designed to make you aware of your spending habits so you can cut back on the things that don't matter. In Kakeibo, there are 4 simple questions. Number 1, how much money do you have? Number 2, how much would you like to save? Number 3, how much are you spending? And number 4, how can you improve? You keep track of this in a journal called your Kakeibo ledger. This is a very different approach than most people have today, because today most people use computers to keep track of their finances. Now computers are of course more convenient and organized, but they come with some drawbacks. What the Kakeibo journal allows you to do is it allows you to track your spending, and it extends the purchase time so you're not just mindless spending. Now whenever you buy something while using Kakeibo, you have to write it down in your journal and then separate it into one of these 4 categories. Number 1 is needs, things that are necessary like food, water, toilet paper, all those. Number 2 is wants, so things like running shoes, coffee, anything that brings you joy. Number 3 is culture, so books, travel, movies. And number 4 is unexpected expenses, so car repairs, doctor's appointments, health issues. Now what does tracking and organizing these expenses do for me? Now writing down these expenses into these categories helps people figure out where they're wasting money so they can cut back in those areas. So besides cutting back spending, why should I use Kakeibo? The thing that sets Kakeibo apart from all other budgeting strategies is that it encourages mindfulness. Every time you make a purchase, you should think about it, about which category it goes into, and then decide if you really want to make that purchase or not. Having this journal is a minimalistic and creative way to make sure you get the most joy from your purchases. Okay, now I'm going to show you step by step on how you can use Kakeibo. So step 1 is that you're going to establish your budget. You're going to write down your income, your fixed expenses, which are expenses that you cannot change, such as rent, car payments. Then you're going to subtract your expenses from your income and figure out how much money you have left to spend or save over the next month. Now saving money is a huge part of Kakeibo. So step 2 is to figure out how much you want to save each month. And be realistic about this. Don't be afraid to just start small and then slowly increase your savings rate over the coming months. Practice makes perfect. Alright, when you decide on a goal, subtract that amount from your leftover spending money. Alright, step 3 is to track your spending. So whenever you make a purchase, you're going to want to write it down in your journal and be creative with your journal. Your journal should be a reflection of you and your values. Make sure to put that purchase in the correct category and move on with your day. Having your purchases written down makes you think a lot more before buying something. Kind of like cash versus credit. You're a lot less likely to buy something with cash than you are with credit because credit is just like an instant transfer. Cash is tangible and credit is invisible. So using your journal will make that purchase physical. Okay, step 4 is to calculate how much you spent in each area after the month is over. Calculate how much you spent on your wants, your needs, your culture, and your unexpected purchases. Step 5 is to calculate the amount of money that you spent and saved. You will add up all your purchases and then subtract that amount from your total budget. The leftover number is the amount of money that you saved that month. So compare that to your original savings goal and then reflect. Now step 6 is to assess your performance. Now be mindful during this process. Did you meet your goal? If you did, write a reflection on how you can continue meeting your goals in the future. If you did not meet your goals, write down the reasons why and how you can improve next month. Now, as you use Kakeibo month through month, you will notice a change in your spending. Over time, you will develop good habits that allow you to save more and spend on the things that matter. And this will overall help you live a happier, more meaningful life. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it brought you some value and helped you out in your financial life. No matter who you are or where you are in life, each one of you has the potential to do great things. Now, if you want to follow along with the channel to learn more about personal finance or investing, then I recommend you hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot. Thank you guys again and have a nice day.